Back here on Tim's Cougar. Got our carb back on, ready to go. Choke is set. We're about ready to start the party. Got her fired up. That's running right. Got a little leak back here, but I'll handle it. Keep running. Like a top. Running like a top. Beautiful. Now that's how the car's supposed to sound. Alright, so we have our gauges hooked up. Got no pressure on the low side almost. Got 100 PSI sitting on the high side. Of course, I'm clutching, not engaging. I'm going to introduce some refrigerant on the low side first. See if we can get her to... Alright, we have our gauges set up. The compressor isn't on. But it's matched my low side gauge out. My high side gauge is at 150. That makes no sense. Okay. Okay, so our clutch won't engage. Remove the refrigerant from the system. It's not tagged out, and now it's equalized. It's at least engaged. But we have other problems as well. No matter where you move, the selector, all our air is coming out of the frost vents. There's definitely vacuum issues and there's power issues we gotta dig into this baby. You can hear it. Do the hiss, but it's not changing the mode doors, nor is it switching on our compressor. I just want to see if the compressor's locked up or not. Check for power. That's about all I'm going to be able to do today. So I have our pressures balanced, and I can grab the and turn the compressor, but it doesn't feel like it's compressing, for lack of a better term. Definitely have to dig into the power on this and the vacuum issues as well. We also need to get together on the little ram air there too. So I think I'm gonna order us up, unless you have one, which I'm gonna text you and ask you if you have the nice wiring and vacuum diagram for this car, and we'll go from there. So whoever did this with the new compressor and the hoses, they left the old expansion valve in. That would definitely potentially cause an issue, I would say.